If you're watching this video and you're tired of your job, tired of wasting your time, wasting your life away, and most importantly, you're tired of wasting your potential because you know that you're meant for more, you know that you can provide for your family, you know that you can travel around the world, you know that you can have great experiences, but most importantly, you know that you don't want to go to sleep at night stressed about money anymore. If that's you, then stick to the end of this video because I'm going to teach you exactly how to start step by step a 6-figure AI business without having a huge team, without spending thousands of dollars on ads, and without working for 12 hours a day. If you don't know who I am, my name is Angelo. I'm a 22-year-old entrepreneur, and I've helped regular people just like you make over $20,000 in a single month, which is absolutely crazy to say out loud. And not only that, I've also been able to, make myself a decent amount of money, provide for my family, and actually move out from my home island because I actually live in France now. That being said, I know a lot of you guys have questions and you don't really know what this is about. Is it AI agents? Is it AI avatars? You don't know what it is exactly. I'm gonna get to it, so bring out your pen and paper and let's get started. And if you haven't noticed by now, this is not gonna be a super edited, super flashy video. So if I were you, lock the fuck in. And if you're dopamine junkie, then just get the heck out of here because we're going straight into the sauce. All right, so for those of you that know me or that don't know me, you guys know that I love AI and I also love digital products. And when you merge these two, I actually call this business or this model digital synthesis, where you create an AI digital product like a mini course or a PDF guide based on information that you synthesized or regurgitated from experts in that specific field. So let's say, for example, you have a PDF guide about how to lose weight. You can prompt your AI to go and fetch information from the top experts of the field and then make a whole PDF guide based on that, and then you can sell it online. For those of you that don't know what the heck I'm talking about, you don't really understand, just know that this entire industry is projected to be worth over $1 trillion in a few years. So if I were you, pay attention because this is going to make you a lot of money in 2026. So now that you know what digital synthesis is, what digital products are, you need to get started. And the first step is actually choosing a niche. Now, I've already saved you some time and I'm going to make this a bit easier for you. The best niches, in my opinion, right now is the mental health niche, which I've personally ran a page in the past. And it's so easy to get views, so easy to sell the product because people are already emotional. If you can just really put the cherry on top of the cake with your product, you're going to make a lot of money. So number one, mental health. Number two, midlife women. So if you can find problems that midlife women have, like, discovering the dating space post-divorce, that's a huge problem that a lot of midlife women have. If you can sell a product on that, you're gonna make money. Number three is gut health. So gut health, obviously there's sub niches to this like gastritis, IBS, and other things that come in between. But most importantly is the problems and consequences that comes from gut health that you can actually monetize. Like for example, if you have bad gut health, you can have a lot of acne issues. If you have bad gut health, you can have a ton of other issues that, I'm not an expert about, so I'm not going to talk about it, but you can make a lot of money on that. And obviously, number four, the finance. So anything when it comes to saving money, budgeting money, making more money, investing, things of that nature is still a huge money printer in 2026. I've personally been in the mental health and finance niche, and those two are absolutely crazy. And I highly recommend that whatever niche you choose, that you have some type of passion, some type of interest, some type of expertise even, or interest within the topic. Because if not, you're not gonna succeed, because this is a business that we're gonna run for the long term. And if you don't even like what you're talking about with your product and in your content, then you're not gonna make any sales. That being said, I know a lot of you guys are already interested in this video and you want to make the most out of this opportunity. If you want to get started and you need somebody to help you out step by step, or you already have a digital product business and you want to scale this to 6K per month, 10K per month or more, then book a one-on-one call with me in the description. I'm more than happy to help you every single week and coach you and guide you, give you all my systems, give you all my prompts, give you all my templates, so you can not only start this business, but also scale it to the moon. So you can travel the world, provide for your family, and do way more other things that you want, just like I have. So now that you have your niche, it is very important that you understand that you have two options when it comes to actually getting the information to sell your product. You can either, number one, go on YouTube and type in your niche. So let's say, for example, you want to go sub niche within the sub niche. Let's say I choose the mental health niche and I choose emotional numbness for men. What I can do is literally go on YouTube and find doctors, psychologists, and anybody talking about mental numbness, take their videos and synthesize it and turn it into a PDF guide, for example. And the easiest and fastest way of doing that is by getting a Google Chrome extension called YouTube Summary. And once you install it, it's very simple. You'll see it in the bottom right of your YouTube video. And essentially, you're gonna get all the transcripts and all the summaries of these videos, combine it, and create a whole PDF guide based on that. Or you can create a PDF guide individually per video, which I don't really suggest. It's best that you get like a global understanding of things, so you can make a compact PDF guide that you can sell for a lot of money. But that's option number one. If you don't want to do the whole YouTube transcribing thing, which by the way is very automatic, takes like 5 seconds, you can do a bit more manual work and go on Reddit, go on Quora, and try to get an understanding of the space. So you can literally type in the niche. So you could type in emotional numbness and you see a bunch of subreddits talking about it. And what you want to do is, and look at what people are talking about. Look at what are the problems that come up, what are the solutions that come up, what are the things that people have tried, what are the objections, the language that people are using within this space. And you want to literally take all that information. You can either manually yourself write it down so you can use that as information and data for your product, or you can just copy paste the whole thing, give it a cloud, and it'll create a compact digital product made for you. Now, before I move forward, I wanted to be very clear that with these two strategies, you still need to somehow, some way make it unique when you're creating your product. And the best AI for this is going to be Claude, but you can also use Gemini, ChatGPT. You're free. But in my opinion, when it comes to creative writing, Claude is going to be your best friend. But the best strategy that you can use when you're prompting these AIs, you need to be very clear when you prompt it and say that this is information that you got from people on YouTube or from experts on the field, that the AI can also go and get information from top experts on the field, or you can tell it to use your own unique experiences, your own unique information and solutions that you've had in your life to combine it and then create a compact digital product. And if you want that prompt, if you really want the whole thing, I've made other videos in the past in my YouTube channel kind of talking about it. Or if you just want to copy paste it, send me a DM on Instagram. I'll send it to you for free. So once again, it's very important that you keep in mind that yes, it's going to already have some information from the data that you gave it from Quora or from YouTube. But you also need to prompt it so you can make it a bit unique to your experiences or to a specific expert if you want to. That being said, the next step is really simple. You want to either go on canva.com and literally look for a PDF guide template, a course template, and things of that nature, and literally copy paste the entire information, change a few designs, change a few fonts, make it look attractive, and then you save it as a PDF. You can either do that if you want to be fancy, or you can literally copy paste the entire thing that you got from Claude, put it into Google Docs, and export the file as a PDF. And there you have it. You have your entire PDF guide ready made in about 10 minutes, which it really doesn't take that much time and it doesn't take that much expertise. Like, you just need to make sure that whatever information the AI gives you, that you verify. Just make sure that what it's saying, it sounds correct, it sounds nice, it sounds human, it sounds casual, and it makes sense to the viewer. Because let's say, for example, that you're sending a PDF guide on emotional numbness for men, but you're using terms that only men in their 60s would use when your target is men in their 20s. It's not going to make much sense. You want to make sure that the AI is doing the job correctly and that you're giving it that information, because if not, it's not going to know. So once you have your PDF guide, it's very simple. You want to host your product on either gumroad.com or system.io. Now, these two platforms are the best platforms in my opinion because they're free. And Gumroad is the only one out of these two that takes a small fee per sale, but System.io doesn't take any fees. So if you really want to have that personalization and you really want to know how to write, what to write in the descriptions, how to price your product, once again, I have other videos in my YouTube channel going over it live. So check it out so you know exactly how this goes. But it's very simple. You just put in your product, fill in a few blanks with ChatGPT if you want to, and that's it. Now, the important part of this entire video is actually marketing and selling your product, right? Because creating it is easy. Finding out what your audience and what your niche is pretty easy, but actually selling it is when it becomes a bit more challenging. And this is where Nano Banana comes in. So the first thing that you need to understand is that marketing is extremely important, because you can have a banging product and you know that this is going to sell, but if your marketing is dog shit, nobody's going to buy your product. So now you're probably asking yourself, bro, Angelo, I don't know how to do marketing. I'm not a genius. I don't even want to show my face, bro. I'm shy. Relax. I got you, bro. When I first started this journey, I also did this entire business faceless. I also was an introvert, and I understand how you feel like. And number one, if you're just being shy because you just don't want to show your face and you're afraid of judgment, stop being a bitch, bro. We're in 2026. Everybody that's showing their face online are making the most money right now. And if you're literally saying no to showing your face, you're saying no to money. So stop being a bitch. Now, if you really have like a particular case where you have like a crazy face scar, or you have like an illness or whatever it is, and you really don't want to show your face, or you just want to be private, which once again I respect, then Nano Banana is going to be your best friend. Why? Because you can either create a duplicate version of yourself, or you can create a fake AI avatar and use that for your content, right? So one of the reasons why I have these images right here is because I literally gave Nano Banana a very simple prompt and it generated me a quite literal human being. Like it looks real. Like if I ever were to go to South America and I see this guy walking on the road, I would be like, oh yeah, he looks like he's from here. Like he looks like he's from Bolivia or Peru or whatever. You get what I mean? Like it looks real. But it's all gonna depend on how you actually prompt Nano Banana. Once again, this woman right here, Asian woman. If I probably walk around the road in South Korea, I'll probably see a girl that looks just like her, bro. Because it looks so real, it's crazy. And the crazy thing is that because Nano Banana is so effective and it's AI, you can make a ton of these avatars, or you can make a lot of different angles of that same person so you have multiple content to post. Now let's actually get into the posting strategy, right? So you want to be doing carousels because I would love to, tell you guys, do videos, do AI videos, use AI UGC and things of that nature. And that's great. The only thing is that it's paid. So if you're on a budget right now, you don't really want to spend like $50, $60 or more on generating these AI videos and you don't know how to do it, then don't waste your time because you don't have to. All right. We are in a time and space right now on Instagram and on TikTok as well, where you can post slides, you can post carousels and still get a lot of views. Lately on my Instagram, I've noticed that a lot of the carousels are getting way more views and way more engagement than my reels, which is absolutely crazy because a few months ago, everybody was like, yeah, go all in on reels. And now it's like, go all in on carousel slides. So this might change in the future, but as of now, this is the best strategy that you can use right now. And the great thing with carousel slides is that, once again, these are images that you can generate with any AI. It could be Nano Banana, it could be ChatGPT. You can generate an infinite amount of these. And if you're posting carousel slides with 20 slides, 15 slides or more, your engagement is going to go way up because people have to watch the video, but also the algorithm is going to push it a bit more because, once again, watch time retention. And I'm going to show you guys an example of how I would actually do this. You can go on my Instagram and you'll see an example of how I actually do these. And it's very simple. Like, AI is only coming in here to give you the background because the actual text and what you're actually seeing on the slide, you're going to get it either from AI or from yourself. And you just have the image in the background and you just put in some text on the screen. You put in the hook. For example, in my case, because I'm in a finance niche, I say how to make your first 6K with AI. And all I do is I'm using the same picture in the background and I'm just going over every single step, maybe adding some logos here and there. But that's it. Like, that's the strategy. Like, there's nothing more to it. Now, in my case, I didn't do much slides because I was trying to be brief, just trying to test it out. But this reel got a lot more views. I mean, this carousel slide got a lot more views than a lot of reels that I was posting around that time. I'll see if I can show you guys another example. You'll see right here. Well, this is a particular case because I'm actually showing my face. And once again, this is my image. This is not AI, but I could have easily replaced this image with a version of me of AI. Like, I could have just take a picture of myself, give it to Nano Banana and say, hey, make a clone version of me with this particular angle wearing this particular hoodie, for example, and then use that image in the background. And all I'm doing is on Canva, I'm making these slides and I'm just putting in some text on the screen. That, once again, I got from Cloud AI or I got from ChatGPT. So guys, this strategy is not that hard. Like, all I'm doing is using some images on the background and then putting some text on the screen. Like, that's it. Like, these images on the background, like, it's just like pictures that I took during the summer when I was back home. Like, that was it. And these images, you can generate it with AI. And if you don't want to generate it with AI, you can, or you don't really have much idea or much inspiration, you can go on Pinterest and look at pictures and things that are trending, and then you use that as inspiration for your images on Instagram. I'll show you guys another example of how I've done this in the past, right? Like in this one, for example, like, I'm not even showing my face in this one. This is, once again, just a random picture of when I was at a restaurant near a hotel back home in the summer, once again. And this image could have been any image that you generated either from AI or from Pinterest. Like, it really doesn't matter. As long as you're using a strong hook on the first slide and you have like 15 slides, 20 slides plus, and you're actually giving value, you're actually explaining, maybe putting in some images here and there for the sake of engagement and interaction, you're going to get a lot of views and it's going to be very, very easy for you to sell your product. So this is just an example of how this looks like, so you guys can kind of get a better understanding, right? Now, before I actually go into the details of, potentially doing ads and getting more sales through ads, I want to show you guys something, right? So I know that you guys are probably watching this video and you're like, oh man, I don't really know how to generate these AI avatars. I don't really know how to prompt it. I don't know what to say to it. Whoop, 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 whoop. If that is your case and you're completely lost, then send me a DM on Instagram, because I have a complete Notion board with all of my prompts and all of my templates when it comes to generating prompts and generating images and even videos as well. So I spoke very briefly on videos on the channel. I mean, on this video, because it's gonna require a budget. But if you do have the budget to run UGC type AI videos, just absolutely going crazy right now, then take that chance and do it. I have prompts for you as well. Now, this whole prompt, all of these, but like, it's all here, and I can give you guys this for free. All you have to do is either drop a comment or you send me a DM on Instagram and I send it over. All right, that being said, let's actually get into ads. Now I know a lot of you guys are probably those of you that are already been in the whole content creation space. You know that ads can be a bit complex. You know that ads does require a budget, and it can be a bit difficult sometimes, and you don't really want to spend money because you're already getting a good amount of views organically, and that's okay. And if organic is doing well for you, then keep it going. But if you're noticing that you're kind of getting views but you're not really getting sales for whatever reason, then that is your sign to spend more money on ads. Why? Because ads allow you to directly target who you want and ask them something in return, and it doesn't feel bad because people know it's an ad. When people see it's an ad and it's actually speaking to them, and you're using the right messaging and the right targeting within your ad, when you're speaking in your ad or with the images that you're using, you're going to get way more money. And once again, like, you don't have to spend like $1,000 a day for you to get these results. Like, I remember I did a campaign for like about 2 months. I only spent like about $20 a day. I started off a bit less. I've done campaigns at $5 a day. I've done campaigns at $20 a day. And what matters the most isn't really the budget, the quality of the videos and the quality of the ad in and of itself. So if your ad is going to be just carousel slides, you got to make sure that those slides are targeting specifically the person that you want to buy your product, and that's going to be concerned for the solution that you can provide them. So hopefully this is making sense. And I've made videos in the past of, ad campaigns that I've done in the past to sell my digital product. And if you want to go check it out, check out my channel. But what I'm trying to say here is that if you're combining your organic content and then your best performing content, you're giving an extra boost with ads for only like about $5 a day or $10 a day, I promise you're going to make so much more money, because once again, you're getting traffic. All that matters in 2026 is getting a bunch of traffic. And then with your system, with your funnel, is then converting them into dollars in your pocket. That's what really matters. Now, I know in this video, I said a bunch of things that probably to you isn't making a lot of sense, or and I use some terms that you don't really understand, but you still want to make the most out of this business. You really want to make it work. If that is the case, then I highly suggest that you either send me a DM on Instagram or you book a one-on-one call with me in the description, because I'm more than happy to help you start this business, help you scale this business, and give you everything that you need to actually make the most out of this business. And it's very important that you understand as well that this is my last ever opening for my coaching program, because I know that I made a whole announcement on my Instagram that I'm going to be closing it soon. And by the time this video comes out, you'll have about 2 weeks to drop it. I mean, you have about 2 weeks to hit me up to actually get inside the coaching program, which once again, because I'm closing it, I'm running a discount as well, because obviously this is not free. I'm actually going to give you all my skills, give you all my knowledge, give you all my templates and resources so you can make 10K per month, 20K per month, 20K per month, and much more. And once again, if you think I'm not legit, if you think I'm a scammer, look at all these screenshots on the screen and more on my Instagram of money that I've made, of money that I've helped clients make, and all these reviews from people validating how good I helped them out. So I'm not trying to be some dickhead and flex my coaching skills, but if you really want to make the most out of this opportunity, you know that you need somebody to help you out. You know that you need somebody to guide you every single week. Then book a one-on-one call with me, and I'm more than happy to help you start this business and scale this business to the moon so you can make money and live to your fullest potential. So that being said, if you ever have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you soon.